Hello everyone, welcome to my another quick Unity tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to convert normal font to TextMesh Pro font in Unity. So without wasting time, let's get started. So firstly, let's import some fonts. For this, I will import 6809 Chargen, PD Dark and Unreal T. Let's drag it to Unity. So these are normal fonts. We can't use them in the TextMesh Pro. As you insert a simple text, you have to focus on it, drag it up, and when we click on the select font here, we can't select any other fonts we have imported because these are the default Unity fonts. Liberation Sans HDF because they are already converted into TextMesh Pro font. So I'm gonna show you how to convert these fonts to TextMesh Pro. So for this, you have to make sure to install the TextMesh Pro asset from the asset store. It is for free. I will give you the link in description. And then go to Window, TextMesh Pro, Font Asset Creator. Here in the source font file, select your font. I will select PD Dark, and you can check out the settings. If you want to change it or other, click on Generate Font Atlas, and this font is generated as you can see, and then click on Save. So it will save your font. So let's create a new folder for it. And then open and save this there, and also create another Unreal tournament. I will give you all the fonts link in the description. And then click on Generate Font Atlas, save, TMP Fonts, open, save. Then you can see in the TMP fonts, these are two PD Dark and Unreal TextMesh Pro font. We can see that when we click on text, TMP, and then click on font asset, we can select any of the fonts. Let's select PD Dark. As you can see, it changes its font. And if we select here Unreal Tournament, it will change the font to Unreal Tournament. So friends, this is a short tutorial. I know that my last tutorial was so long, but I want guys you all understand how to do it. So if you like the video, so please like the video, subscribe the channel, share the video, and comment how was the video. Thanks for watching.